Well, what's up, guys? Welcome to another video. So this is my Linux machine. This entire web page is just a web page, though. If I click this, you can notice I'm in my browser. So I'm connecting to my machine right now. Well, not really, but you get what I mean, right? So this thing right here is my home page. I had this set to load up basically every time I open my browser. I use my own search engine. I host my own search engine, which basically connects to my own achievements page. So every time I do a search, it adds up into a database, and it basically gives you like trophies for doing like 50 searches, 100, all that kind of cool stuff. Um, Other apps I have on here are a calendar where I save all of my appointments for easily remembering. Still trying to get that to go to my phone so notifications get sent there. A little difficult to do that. Um, I host all my websites here. Yeah, I host my own dream journal. Everything is saved into a database. The dreams are also have their own trophies on that page where, if I could record 250 of them, I get a trophy for that. I save my own bookmarks on here. That way all my bookmarks sync across all of my devices. TV tuner for watching like the Samsung has a free TV service. They put it into all of their TVs, so I connect to that, which is nice to be able to like watch that wherever I want. Um, Bandwidth, I can click on this. This shows the amount of bandwidth we used this month, which would be 18 gigabytes. Um, of all time, 225. Today, 26. All of my devices here. Um, I have two um drives, both of them 2 terabytes. So I'm getting close to actually needing a new one. And this is controlled by a script I wrote, which updates every night at 3 a.m. in the morning. I don't have to do nothing. Let's go back. Sorry, my mouth is a little dry. Other things, Portainer. Um, to say that in terms that everyone would understand, Portainer is basically for starting and stopping certain apps that may crash or need like updates here and there. This one, basically a control panel for like doing changes like uploading files, starting, stopping applications again, and more advanced stuff like checking, you know, your usage, checking your drives, checking your CPU, checking your RAM, um, downloading new apps, OwnCloud. And yeah, I'm not going to click on a lot of these, but OwnCloud for home file storage instead of using Google Drive. Throw everything on here. Monitoring, um, that kind of monitors the entire system, um, monitors in and out traffic to the machine, stuff like that. Books, host books, image. I host all my photos that are on my phone. I throw them on there. That way I can clear my phone sometimes, clear up some space. But yeah, a lot of cool stuff here. Router login. Yeah, I can log into my router from here. I can some of these links don't work right now. Um, Need to fix them. Um, this over here tells me what the scripts I'm running. Um, and right here's my update log. I I pretty much write in all of my like stuff in here. I do changes, and like if I want to write in here, um, update log. Today I made a YouTube video, and then it saves, goes into a database, and yeah, nice. Go back, go back. But yeah, lots of stuff here. If you're interested in doing a Linux machine, Linux, like I said, is a operating system. There are many different though ones besides like Windows having just like one, Windows besides Windows has Windows 8, Windows, 11, Windows 12 or whatever the next one is, but Linux is open source, which means anyone can change it. Anyone can see the code. There's many different versions. Like there's CentOS, which is outdated. Don't use that. Debian is constantly being updated. This is running Debian 13. There's Ubuntu, which is good. But those are all like server, like mostly server like operating systems. But nowadays, Linux also has like Bazite, which is a gaming operating system, much more lightweight than Windows. It doesn't use as many resources. There's other ones like trying to think off the top of my head. Bazite's a good one. Yeah, I should know this. There's Pop OS. Um, there's a bunch out there if you research and you're interested in. But yeah, a lot of cool stuff here. Like I said, I saved my bookmarks here. There's trophies here which are attached to certain apps. So if I search the internet, 500 times today, I'd get a trophy for that. Not that I would do that. That's insane, right? But yeah. I just wanted to make a video. This machine is an old computer that sits under my desk. I never turn it off. Barely uses any power. Has 16 gigabytes. It has a 970 graphics card and an old i5 processor. It hosts all my websites, hosts all my stuff, and it's kind of cool because it's kind of like turning me into like a programmer. I've always been one, but yeah, this is cool. Yeah, my voice is kind of scratchy. Not sure why. Hopefully you heard me. Yeah, but yeah, thanks for watching.